That the case metabolism. Right. So the question is going to be, what we eat daily? Which organic substances we eat each day? Meat. Meat. What does mean meat? According to the organic chemistry. Proteins. Okay, so this is it. Proteins. What else? Lipids. Lipids. And lipids is the same fats as you said. Fats. What else?
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. Or sugars. Carbohydrates. Or sugars. Usually, these substances are converted into each other in our body. So, what can be converted from proteins? What do you think?
Muscles.
Muscles, yeah. I mean, proteins, can proteins be converted into carbohydrates?
Yes.
Can. Okay. What about lipids?
Yes.
Yes.
What about back conversion? Yes, from lipids to proteins. Is it possible? Never.
Not possible.
Not possible. What about carbohydrates to the proteins?
No.
Also. Okay. What about lipids and carbohydrates?
Yes.
They can be converted
Yes. To each other.
to each other. Okay. This is it. So, when we eat a lot of carbohydrates, what happens? You can tell me about this. We eat a lot of carbohydrates, sugars. For example, I eat a lot of chocolate.
But
Insulin is going to be produced. Okay. The level of carbohydrates is going to be increased.
Yes.
It means that if the level of sugars is going to be increased, is it possible to tell that somehow the level of lipids also is going to be increased?
yes,
Yeah or not?
if they convert.
What do we need to do to decrease this negative effect? I mean, what can we do to not let carbohydrates be converted to the lipids? What do you think? Daily.
Not to eat sugars.
The first case, yes, we have to stop eating sugars. What else?
Do exercises for
Do exercises.
physical.
So, we have to do exercise first. Stop eating sugars, as you said. Or the second one, we have to do a lot of exercises. Exercises. Okay. So, speaking about these processes, as we said before, conversion of lipids into proteins, from proteins to carbohydrates, all these processes can be called like metabolism. Okay? So metabolism, please write the definition of the metabolism. Metabolism. Biochemical reactions